One of Metro Atlanta's largest hospital systems is planning to lay off hundreds of employees. We are talking about WellStar Health System. Says 761 employees are being let go. That's roughly 2% of their 35,000 person workforce. WellStar says the cuts mostly impact corporate and administrative roles, but don't affect doctors, nurses, or clinical staff. In a statement, WellStar says, quote, "These changes will help us simplify our structure, clarify roles, strengthen accountability, and move decision-making closer to the people who care for patients while positioning WellStar for continued long-term sustainable growth."